Welcome and good morning to all my students. Today we are going to do another worksheet. Let's start it. Write your name here and your section, and what you have to do is to match the letter with the picture that starts with the sound. Okay, I'm telling you once again. Identify and say the word very louder in a very loud voice. You have to just recite it. Identify first what is the picture about and then say it very louder, and when you will say it louder you will understand what is the letter of first letter of this picture. Okay, what is this? Can you see? This is, what is this? There are many options given beside the list: D, K, R, N, and W. D stands for a word, duck. K stands with kangaroo. R stands for rabbit. N stands for net. No, it's not net. It's a nest. And W stands for web. Okay, web means jala, the web of a spider. Say the name of this picture. What is this? Web. Very good. And what is the sound of it? Web. V. And it starts with the letter W. Very good. Now match the picture with the correct option, the correct letter. Yeah, this is, you can use a scale or any scale. With the help of that you can make a very straight alignment here. And what is the picture? This is a picture of a rabbit, and rabbit's sound is ra, rabbit. So where is the correct option? And can you tell me that rabbit stands from which letter? Yes, it stands, yes, it starts with the letter R. And what is this picture about? This picture is about the nest of a birds, and there are two eggs are also inside. This is the house or the nest of a bird. So the nest is the word which starts with which letter? N. So what is the sound of N? N. Match nest with the letter N. N. And what is the picture? This is a picture of a kangaroo, and kangaroo starts with the letter K. Kangaroo. So it starts with which letter? Yes, it starts with the letter K. Match it with that. And what is the last beautiful sad duck? Why is she sad? I don't know. She might be hungry. Okay, she's looking for some food. Okay, can you please tell me from which letter it starts? Duck starts with the letter D. And what is the sound of D? D. Match it with the letter T. Now your worksheet is completed. Thank you.